Good girl, you're colouring in. Are you colouring in the caterpillar or the frog? Which one are you doing? A frog?
No.
No. What one would you like to do? The girl or the dinosaur? That's a baby. Oh, that's a baby squirrel.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the baby squirrel? Colour the baby squirrel. Good girl.
Mama.
Where's her mama? Her mama's gone looking for food for the dinner because the baby is hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what her mama will bring her back? She'll bring her back some nuts because squirrels love nuts and they eat all the nuts before they go to bed.
Yeah.
And then they have a lovely sleep.
Oh, Mama.
Hmm?
I think
That's a cat. That's right.